So we'll take a seat in the fabric. So stand under the plumb line, bunch the fabric up, push it down under your hips. Now make sure you have plenty of fabric back behind you. And we're just gonna make a little hat and toss it over your head. You'll bring the fabric over your head and then bring your feet into the pocket forward in front of you. So this is just our standard forward fold. Feels good to hang out here for a moment. Inhale and exhale. And then we'll come up and take your head out to the left side. Reach your right hand to hold the front fabric and then bring your left foot into the pocket where your hips are. So you'll hold on to either side and then bring yourself all the way up to a standing position. Now we'll go into the sailing splits. So turn your hips to the right side as you inhale, and then you can begin to sink your hips all the way down as you exhale. And just enjoy this nice, juicy, delicious stretch. Now you can go into the wings from here. So you can push your hips forward, take the legs back, and come up, and try the other side. Inhale, exhale, and then just make sure you have fabric behind you when you're going to sit. So let's see here. You want to bring your head out and your hips back to one side so that you're all the way in the pocket, and then you can just come all the way down. Awesome. Okay, so we'll come into our little cocoon here. Breathe in and breathe out. And we'll make our way up to a standing position. So pull yourself all the way up and you'll stand in your cocoon. Okay. So now we're going to work on the spinning split. So these are super fun. Let's see here. Okay, so you want to hold on below your shoulders and above your waist. So not too low, but not too high. But it might be a little bit lower than what you're used to. Stand in the center of your pocket. Take one leg out. I'm going to take my left leg out. Now, hold on tight. You're going to lean your head back and take your leg with you and go all the way around 360 in a circle. So here we go. Inhale and exhale. You'll come all the way around. Now you can come all the way back. Inhale, exhale. And you'll come all the way up. And try the other side. So left foot down, right foot comes out. Hold below your shoulders, right around your waist. Inhale. Exhale. You can begin to lean back and kick the leg around. You're in this nice arabesque. If you need a little bend in the leg to pull around, just watch your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Whew. It's also fun to land in a bit of a crouch position. Whew. Nice, you guys. And then let's actually, we have one more variation on this that we'll take.